Coffee lovers, this one's for you. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So guys, to make your tiramisu, we have some cocoa powder for dusting. Now this is just the Morrison's brand that I've just picked up. We've got 5 tablespoons of golden caster sugar. Now you can use normal caster sugar or granulated sugar, whichever you prefer. I've got a little tiny bit of a pinch to put in my coffee. Over here, I've got 2 heaped tablespoons of Nescafe Gold instant coffee, 250 grams of mascarpone cheese, 400 ml of double cream, 300 ml of boiled kettle water for your coffee, and something to dip them in and pick them up so it's not too hot. And over here, I've just got the sponge fingers and from Tesco's, and sponge fingers is something that I don't really measure. Something to make your coffee in, and something for the filling. I've also got my hand mixer here. So let's begin. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to weigh out the double cream. Into that goes the mascarpone cheese, along with the sugar. And we're just going to whip this up until it has the consistency of whipped cream. Stop when you're almost there and just give it a quick mix and scrape off the sides. A few more seconds. And that's it. Set aside and make the coffee. So in with the coffee, the sugar and the water. Give it a quick mix, get a nice dish, and start soaking them in. You want them soaked but not soggy. And then so you've used half of your coffee for one layer, and then just spoon your mixture on top. And then onto the next layer. So literally just 5 seconds on each side. Once the coffee is actually cool enough, you can use your hands because it works much better. Spread the final layer out. And the last step, dust generously with cocoa powder. Pop it into your fridge and let it chill for a few hours before tucking into this divine, tasty dish. And this is why you never leave this in the fridge overnight, because your family canes it all. Look at that, it's nearly gone, and I even said to them, I'm going to be doing a video, don't touch it yet. But you can see how delicious it is just because it's completely gone. I attacked it overnight, just look at that though. They caned it before I could even do the videos. But nevertheless, I'm still going to cut into it and show you how it looks. Just look at that. How gorgeous does that look? Now. So good. So rich and creamy. It's not too bitter, it's not too sweet, it's just absolutely perfect. That's how good it was. So you guys, you've got to try this recipe out. If you want to follow me, my socials are listed below in the description box for you. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you want to see more content like this, and also press your bell notifications to be notified whenever there's a new video upload. And then I will catch you with a brand new one next time. Bye guys!